I just arrived at Albertson's with my list for my 25 meals, costing $25 each to feed a family of 4. Let's get started. Come shopping with me. I'm starting in the organic vegetable aisle, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be getting my parsley that I need. Okay, my parsley. I love the curly parsley and I love the flat parsley. Okay, now I'm going to be doing some peppers because I'm going to be making sausage and peppers with green and red peppers. Here we are, here we go. And I love my organic section. It's so great. Okay, as we go, I need a bunch of carrots for my Italian wedding soup and my beef stew. You're going to follow me through the store. I have it all planned out very methodically in my mind of what I'm doing. I don't use these carrots. I like to use the regular, real good carrots. And we're going to keep going. And I make a lot of Italian salads with my meals. And I use cucumbers and tomatoes. We're going to pick some cucumbers and some tomatoes. I'm doing also some beet salads with goat cheese. So I love to boil my fresh beets. I boil these, I just trim them and cut them and I boil them and they come out so nice. I mix it with goat cheese and some chickpeas. You'll see, we're gonna keep going. Okay, I'm going to be making squash, zucchini, some recipes with zucchini, yellow and green. Here we go. I love Albertsons because everything is so fresh, so natural, and I love fresh vegetables. I'm going to be making a chicken dish, stuffed chicken with stuffing, chicken, and fresh string beans. Here we are. Of course, my broccoli. That's going to be in some of my vegetables. 2 little heads of broccoli. Okay, I'm planning now for 4 or 5. Cauliflower. Here you go. Let's keep going. I love to look around for my caprese salad. I love large tomatoes. Here we are. Caprese salad. We've got some large tomatoes. Lettuce for my blue cheese wedge of lettuce. Okay, here we go. It's pretty simple. Tomatoes. Look at this. $5. Nice tomatoes. And then, of course, $5 here for my spring mix. See, and these equate into 2 or 3 meals. This is what it's all about. So I have it all categorized in my mind. Let's go over to the potatoes. I need some potatoes.